In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Before sending anything, it's a good idea to confirm that the contacts or leads you want to reach are already in your CRM and properly organized. This helps you avoid sending emails to the wrong audience and makes your mass email more effective. Once you're inside Zoho CRM, go to either the Leads module or the Contacts module, depending on who you want to email. If your campaign is meant for potential customers, you'll usually work from Leads. If you're reaching out to existing customers or saved contacts, then Contacts is the better place to go. Choosing the right module at the beginning is important because it ensures your email goes to the correct group of recipients. Next, look through your records and select the specific entries you want to send the email to. Take your time here and double-check your selection. If you're sending a targeted message, being precise matters. After selecting the records, click on the Actions option. This is where Zoho CRM gives you tools for working with multiple records at once. From the Actions menu, choose Mass Email and then click Create Mass Email. This will open the bulk email setup, where you can prepare the message that will go out to everyone you selected. At this stage, Zoho CRM helps streamline the process so you don't have to email each person one by one. Now, select a template for your email. Using a template can save a lot of time and also keeps your branding and formatting consistent. Make sure you pick the one that matches the purpose of your message, whether it's a follow-up, an announcement, or a promotional email. It's always worth reviewing the template before sending so you can confirm the content looks right for your audience. If you don't want to send the email immediately, you can also schedule it. This is useful if you want your message to go out at a specific time, such as during business hours, or at a time when your audience is more likely to open it. Scheduling gives you a little more flexibility and can help improve engagement. Once everything is ready and you've reviewed your audience, your template and your timing, click Send, and that's it. That's how to send bulk emails in Zoho CRM quickly and efficiently.